Hey, what's going on, everybody? I thought I'd do a short and sweet video today. I am changing something on the Supra, and that is this piece of crap gauge. I don't know what happened to it. When the car started running and we took it on the road, started bubbling out. It reads at like 19 psi when there's no pressure in there at all. The car's been sitting for quite some time, and I'm pretty sure that there's absolutely no pressure. It's just chilling. So I'm never gonna buy a Turbosmart frickin' gauge again. I ended up getting the aeromotive gauge for that guy. I know these things maybe not be the most accurate things in the world, but at least it has a proper vent setup, and I've heard nothing but good things about the actual aeromotive going onto an aeromotive. So without further ado, here I go. All right, now that the piece of crap is off the car, there was even something floating around in there. I have no idea where it went. It was a piece of black something. No idea where it went. But there was something floating in there. So there we go, look at that. Right now in my garage, we have 19 pounds of fuel pressure. It's pretty accurate to gauge. So yeah. Okay, so now that the new one is installed, I'm going to crank the car and we're gonna see how much fuel pressure this baby's pumping out, because I adjusted it as per last gauge, which was a fail, just like how my phone is not properly. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's just chill right there. There we go. Let's see how much pressure she's pumping out and not leaking. All right. Fuel spraying everywhere. No, just kidding. Look at that. Proper gauge. And I'm running way too low of fuel pressure, my friends. It should be at 43.5 or higher. But I turned it down because that other gauge said I was running like 55. And I had a suspicion it was bad. So I am going to make sure there's no leaks. Which does not appear that there is. The oil from the other one is leaking everywhere. But this one seems to be great. So I'm gonna run what I brung and we're gonna tune off this guy. I'm gonna start the car and I'm gonna adjust the fuel pressure accordingly. So let's do it. All right, start her up. Let's check we're running. So yeah, I need to, I'm gonna adjust that guy with Allen wrench and a 14 mil, I think. Let's give it a try. Wrong. Found them. 9/16 wrench and a 3/8 drive. So 3/8 Allen key drive. So let's try to get this here. sure if you can hear me over the 2J or not, but so, yeah, that is exactly where we want to be. So, 43.5-ish is where we want to be. So, if you're buying a fuel pressure gauge, I personally, well, you should go off your sensor anyway, because that's more accurate. These tend to leak and be dumb, so if you're gonna go with one, go with Aeromotive. That's what I'm trying to get at. That's what I'm trying to say. And it properly moves. Man, that is nice. Thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know, watch some other ones on my channel. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right? Peace.